Hey guys, welcome back to my Cravings channel where taste buds trigger. I'm your Pragna JH. Chocolates are everybody's cravings, so today let's indulge in some yummy, soft and chocolatey pancakes. Let's see how do we do it? Come with me. Take an empty bowl and add 1 cup of flour. To it, sieve in some half cup of cocoa powder. Make sure there's no lumps. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and a pinch of salt. Sieve it again. Now add 1 tablespoon of sugar depending on your requirement and mix the dry ingredients well. Now coming to the wet ingredients, break 1 large egg into an empty bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of melted butter or ghee, half cup of milk. Beat it well. To which add the dry ingredients. Mix it gradually. Make a smooth batter. Add some more milk if you need. This is the consistency. Now heat a pan and add some butter to it. Spread a scoop of batter on it. As soon as you see bubbles on the top, flip it. Heat it again on the other side, and after it's baked, heat it again for a few additional seconds. Repeat the steps. Add 1/4 cup cocoa powder, half cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of corn flour and a pinch of salt. Add 1 cup of milk. Heat it and keep stirring in regular intervals. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to get a beautiful aroma, and add 1 tablespoon of butter when the mixture becomes thick. And it's now time to evenly top it on your pancakes and enjoy. Thanks for watching my videos. So like, share, comment and subscribe.